So now that we have our models imported, they're on the tray in an area where they will be able to print successfully, it's time for us to select a material and go ahead and start printing. If I'm curious about an estimate, I can select estimate down here where it'll estimate the tray. Please wait, and give me an estimate on the print time for the current material that is selected. It can also tell me how much material the print will use, which could be helpful in me measuring out that material at my Origin printer. So I'm going to go over to the tray settings and select the icon. And right now I have Dura 56. Perhaps I actually want to use ST45. One thing that's nice is I could check the timing of ST45 with the estimate tool, and I could compare, maybe I'm thinking about regular settings, maybe I'm thinking about utilizing the conservative. So there I can see that's about a 2-hour, 2-minute print. Perhaps I want to try that on conservative settings with the same material and run the estimate again. There you can see it's now 3 hours, 4 minutes. Once you've chosen your material, if you would like to, you can adjust some of the settings if that's something that you are interested in doing. If you need to adjust the chamber temperature for a specific material you're printing, you can do that there. And you can also adjust the edge compensation tool in microns right here. When I'm all done, have the correct settings, I'm ready to go ahead and hit print. So we'll estimate the tray. One thing that's very important to check at this stage is to check your first layer. Everything that is white is the first layer that will print onto the build platform. Anything that's black will not print. If you see a first layer that is completely black, it means that nothing will print on the first layer, and it most likely will not be a successful print because it won't adhere to the build platform. You may need to double check the file that you've imported there. You can check your settings if you need to, but you're getting your time estimation and material usage as well. We can go ahead and hit send. It will prepare the print for a few moments, then it will queue the print and to tell you when it is successfully queued.